Welcome to October 1st LeetCode Challenge. Reverse values of strings. Given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The values are A, E, I, O, and U, and they can appear in both lower and uppercase more than once. So we have the following. We have the string hello, and we want to reverse only the vowels. So say we have E is replaced with the vowel O, therefore we have H-O-L-L-E. Similarly, we have the word LeetCode. If we reverse all the vowels there, we'll have E changes with E, so it pretty much stays the same because it's it's the same. We have E replaced with O, and therefore we have L-E-O-T-C-E-D-E. So the length of the string S is between 1 to 3 to the power of 5, and S consists of printable ASCII characters. So we know a couple things, that the vowels can appear more than once, and they appear in upper and lowercase letters. So let's see, an approach to this would be using a two-pointer approach. Say if we were to use a left pointer to start, and a right pointer starting from the two ends of the string S. What we could do is move the pointer towards each other, towards the center, and then we just basically, when both the left pointer and the right pointer are a vowel, then we just swap them. And we just do a sweep from left pointer to the middle pointer, from the left to the middle, and the right to the middle. And therefore, when we meet halfway, we just stop and continue. So we just move the pointers per vowel. So if any pointer is not a vowel, we just move it position by 1, and then we just basically have to convert the input string to make it big of one constant space. So let's kind of do that. So say we need to find a set called vowels, and that's going to contain all our vowels as such. So say we could have the vowels lowercase and uppercase in there. Just to make it easy, I'll just do this as such. So we have a set containing the characters A, E, I, O, U, lowercase and uppercase. I mean, there's obviously easier ways to do this, but let's just call this for now. Next thing you want to do is convert the list string S into a list, which will make it easier for sweep. So we make S into a list. Next thing what we want to do is initialize the two pointers. So we have a left pointer, initialize it index 0. We have a right pointer, initialize it to the length of the string S minus 1. So now we have initialized the two pointer left and right pointers. Next thing we do is left and right pointers are moving, but they shouldn't cross each other. So what that means is while left is greater or equal to right pointer, what we're going to do is both pointers are vowels, and then we swap them. So say we go if the string at left in vowel, so this is string that's a vowel, and our set vowels, and the string in the right pointer is also in vowel, then what we're going to do is swap them. So basically we do a string at index left pointer, a string at index right pointer, and then we just do a Python swap here. So right, and and string at left. Alright, so once we swap them, we have to increment the pointer index. So right would be decremented by 1, so it's going from right to left, so therefore it decreases by index by 1. A left pointer is increasing in index, so it'll be incremented by 1. If the pointer is not a vowel, so if it is a vowel, then do this. If it's not a vowel, then else if. We want to increment, or if left pointer is not in vowels, then we want to just not swap, but increase the index left increment by 1. Else, that means that the right pointer is not a vowel, therefore we also want to decrement the right pointer index by 1. And out of all this, once we swap all of them, what we're going to do is join the modified list of the string s and return it. So what we're going to do is return the following empty string join by s, the string itself. And this should alright. That's good. We can actually combine these two together. Actually, let's submit this first. See what works. Alright. This is running at big O of n time complexity. And it's running at big O of n space memory complexity as well, because we stored everything inside a list. However, we can combine these two steps together and swap it. So let's see, while left equals to right, what we could do is combine these two to make it a little bit more efficient. We could use the two while loop to move the left pointer and the right pointer to the next vowel position. So what we're going to do is just modify this a little bit. So no matter what we do, we always decrement, we always swap left and right, and we always decrement right, always increment left, so we're going to keep this around. So copy this, and place it outside the loop. What I'm going to do is erase some of this stuff here, and then place that in the still remaining inside the while loop here. Alright, this always happens. We always swap. So what we want to do is basically always swap and always increment and decrement, and then we just kind of reverse this around. So if it's not, and then we'll do another while loop here. So while left is less than right, and the string at the left pointer is not in vowel, then we just want to increment the left because it's not a vowel. While left is less than right, and the string at the right pointer is not in vowel, then we just decrement the right pointer. And this should also be accepted. Might look a little nicer actually. I'm not sure if it's faster or not. No, it is. Wow, it is a little faster. Alright. Well, there you go. That is reverse vowels of a string using iteration and swapping and a set. Alright, have a great day, guys. 2 pointers actually, 2 pointer approach.